lawyer, friend, keeper. He's the lily in the valley. He's the bright and morning star. He's a keeper. Yes, he is. Jesus. Nobody like him. Nobody like him. He rocks you and holds you, keeps you, comfort you, heal you, deliver, bless you, set you free. Jesus. I'm talking about Jesus, the only one that can save us. I'm talking about the only one who can heal, who can deliver, set free, make a way out of no way. Turn your life around. Turn your life around. Jesus. She Jesus. Some